Hi, I am Leah, and I absolutely love Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine. And so these videos are going to be towards learning how to cook specific types of foods from these regions of the world. So today I look forward to teaching you how to make Israeli couscous salad. So I have my own little spin on it, so let's get started. We are ready now to make that Israeli couscous salad I was telling you about. So what we are going to start with first is we're going to use pearl couscous, and we're going to actually boil 1 cup worth. You can get this at pretty much any market around town. Just make sure that it's the pearl couscous, or if you really want to, you can even go with the yellow, the more small grained couscous as well. Okay, so once you're done boiling it and you get 1 cup worth, which is right here, what we're going to then do is we're going to chop up some vegetables. So here we have, I utilized 1 cucumber. I have 2 colored bell peppers, so you can decide the variety, whatever you choose, but I chose 2 different colors. I utilized some small tomatoes. So used half of a white onion, or you can use a yellow onion or a sweet yellow onion. It's totally up to you. It's going to have this pretty much the same flavor. Next, we're going to use a few spices in this. So we're going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. We're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I prefer typically either sea salt or Himalayan salt. Do not use table salt. It's not good for you. I'm also going to use 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. I picked some mint from my yard, and we're also going to utilize some parsley. So you can, whatever your favorite taste is, you can determine how much you want to put in. I just grabbed a few sprigs of each. And last but not least, of the spices specifically, we're going to utilize a tablespoon of sumac. Now, for those of you who don't know what sumac is actually a Middle Eastern Mediterranean spice, and it has like a tangy, more lemony flavor. It goes really nicely on salads, also on meat. This is one of my favorite spices in the entire world. It literally makes everything come together. So I highly recommend you get it. And the last 3 ingredients that we're going to add together to this is we're going to utilize 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to use 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can squeeze out with actual lemons. Okay, so now we're going to get this all prepared and ready to go, and then we're going to get to see the final product. All right, so now that we have the main ingredients all put together, we're going to throw all of this in. All right, and here we are. You have your beautiful Israeli couscous salad. It's extremely fragrant. It smells so good. Something that this is great to go with is shawarma or falafel or baked chicken. So you can pair this nicely with pretty much anything of a nice entree that you decide to use. Please let me know in the comment section below how you like the recipe, or if you decided to manipulate it a little bit, but please at least give it a try first and then go from there. I cannot wait to hear how you enjoy this. So I look forward to sharing further videos with you on fun and tasty Middle Eastern and Mediterranean food.